AirTech Intercooler install. You need one of these, that's number one. And you need a mark on your crash bar once you have your front bumper off. On your radiator support, you've got to mark across. You've got to cut this entire frame section out. And then depending on the intercooler, if you've got an AirTech, the AirTech is a little bit thicker and you might have to trim a little bit of the crash bar just to make it work, make it happen. So as a quick run through, we essentially cut right there, you can see. Cut the top section here across. And then on this side, it's the same similar thing, which is this. That's all you have to take out. And as well, we've got to drill a few holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right where the brackets are for the AC. And then we just undo the screws for the AC. Made holes. If it focuses. These brackets, which just tuck in underneath and screw straight in. Luke, we're cutting. I'm gonna be sensible as well. Safety goggles, so we don't have any mishaps, but, oh man. But otherwise, that's it. Then your mounting is straight off the existing pipe at the back. Straight section, elbow down. Connect your map sensor, make sure that's hooked up. And running pipe work up into your intake. Simple, right, Gav?
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
All right, now to cut the front bar, because, well, we got rid of this, but originally that section sits right there, so we've got to essentially match what we've done on this other one to make it work. There's quite a bit of trimming, actually.
I don't think you need to actually take much off that, do you?
No, well, it's just that section around, you know?
I'm just going to do it neatly rather than with...
Awesome.
And then we'll stick it in like a test kit.
So, the last bit is to trim the Trim the grill, the
Yeah.
bumper grill.
Locking tabs.
All the locking tabs off it so that you can actually mount it on. So just have to do it on that side. So yeah, once they're off, it'll slide straight on. Oh man. Will that one push into the...
Not quite.
Oh, it just kind of works.
Yeah. And you have to put
Hang on.
screws in the top.
Right, this didn't go in up here. And screws in the top to hold it in place. Because the bottom, nothing on the bottom holds it.